ह्या वर्सा इफीच्या सुवर्ण महोत्सवा निमतान गोंय मनरिजवण संस्थेन मिनी मूव्ही मानिया लघुपट सर्तीचें आयोजन केलां. ही सर्त गोंय राज्य आनी देश अशा 2 पांवड्यार आयोजीत केल्या. 23 नोव्हेंबराक विशय दितले उपरांत 72 वरां भितर हे लघुपट तयार करून सादर करचे पडटले अशी माहिती गोंय मनरिजवण संस्थेचे उपाध्यक्ष सुभाष फळदेसाय हांणी दिल्या. RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Section wherein national level all the filmmakers will participate in this short film making competition. The competition will be of 5 to 8 minutes film which are prepared and which will be screened here during the Iffi period. Okay, and the entry submission date is on 15th November and entry registration. The entry registration is on 15th November and the film submission would be on 23rd November. The film title or the film theme or the subject or the topic will be announced on 23rd November morning at 9 o'clock, and the filmmakers have to make their film a complete film within 72 hours. And there shall be 2 categories. The Go1 category, the qualifications are like the criteria. Any individual can participate in this. Any student community can participate in this. Any social or educational or cultural organization, institute, club can participate, having an identity as Go1, some government ID or any other proof which establishes the residence of a filmmaker. He can participate in this film competition. The second is national level. Any person from India, any individual, any social, cultural, educational institute or any organization of Indian nationality can participate in this film competition. There are 10 different prizes in each of the category. That is, the winner of the category Go1 section, the first award, the prize money is 1 lakh for the best film which is chosen, and the Go1 section will have 2, first and second. The second winner or runners up will get 50,000 rupees. The best director will get 25,000. Movie screening at all Ravindra Bhavans we propose, provided we have that kind of infrastructure ready. We are trying to build the infrastructure also, and some other places open air, something like that with different. We are exploring the infrastructure and other needs of this, and we will try to push it in the talukas wherever possible.
Is there no infrastructure in Ravindra Bhavans in Goa?
There are some Ravindra Bhavans wherein we do not have proper projectors. Okay.
Example?
Examples, we do not have a projector at Kursharim. That has to be put. In some places, those are out of order because the movie screening is not taking place throughout. So the maintenance is not proper. We will try to have get it ready